Ali is a curious young boy. One night, while sitting outside near a pit fire in the backyard of his house in Bamyan, he looked up and noticed the bright sky filled with hundreds of thousands of stars. He imagined what these stars looked like from up close. How do stars shine? They burn wood, just like the fire he sits next to. To answer what Ali has been so curious about, we should start by considering the closest star to our planet, the Sun. Like those bright lights in the Bamyan sky, our Sun is one of many billions of stars in our galaxy, called the Milky Way. The Sun, along with our planet, the Earth, and other planets, moons, asteroids, and comets make up what is known as the solar system. In the night sky, every point of light and every dot we see is probably a star, just like our own, but maybe tens, hundreds, or thousands of light years away from us. What's more, some might be bigger, some smaller, some old and dying, while others young and newly born. Contrary to what the ancients thought, stars don't burn wood or coal. In contrast, stars, including our Sun, produce heat, light, and energy through a process called nuclear fusion. Everything we see around us, from humans to trees to mountains, and even the stars, is made of tiny particles called atoms. Stars are made initially of the simplest atom in the universe, called hydrogen. Exceptionally high temperatures and pressure at the center of a star cause hydrogen atoms to smash with each other with such force that eventually fuses them to create a new element called helium. This process continues until all of the hydrogens inside the star are fused into helium, and eventually into lithium, which is the third element in the periodic table. Lithium is then combined into heavier elements until the composition of iron. Even the largest stars can continue this line only up to the composition of iron and cannot go beyond that. While this transformation is happening, a big chunk of energy is also released through heat, radiation, and light. Eventually, this heat, radiation, and light makes its way to the surface of the star and then radiates out into space, where it will ultimately land in our eyes or bodies. Some stars will implode in a mighty explosion at this stage called supernovae, while others will simply grow bigger and evaporate into space. The death of a star depends on its mass. Based on the Sun's mass, it has been functional for over 4 billion years and will continue to burn for another 4 billion years. After that, the Sun will grow into a red giant and eventually burst into space. A gorgeous cloud of gases and molecules will form at the end of a star's life cycle, called a nebula. Ali is intrigued by the secrets of existence and is determined to learn more about the starry sky above him.